Hey, everyone! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to make your first $100,000 using just your laptop and the power of artificial intelligence. No coding, no advanced tech skills, just smart strategies anyone can follow. The big idea: AI tools are transforming how we work and make money online. Whether you want to freelance, create digital products, or start an online business, AI can help you scale faster than ever. Step 1. Pick a niche. Focus on a niche that has demand, like finance, health, productivity, or marketing. AI makes it easier to research, create, and automate content in any of these fields. Step 2. Build a personal brand. Use ChatGPT to write blog posts, social media content, and video scripts. Start posting consistently on YouTube, TikTok, or LinkedIn to grow your presence. Step 3. Offer a high-value service. Leverage AI tools like Midjourney, Jasper, or 11 Labs to offer services like copywriting, video creation, voiceovers, and design. Clients on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr will pay well if you deliver fast and high-quality results. Step 4. Sell digital products. Create and sell ebooks, online courses, or templates using AI. Tools like Canva, Notion, and ChatGPT help you design and write everything quickly. Sell them on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Step 5. Scale with systems. Once you start earning, reinvest into automation. Use scheduling tools, hire virtual assistants, and automate emails and social media. This way, your income grows even when you're not working. Final. Making your first $100,000 won't happen overnight, but with AI and the right strategy, it's possible faster than ever. Which of these steps will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.